Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to group in Looker Studio. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Looker Studio web app and sign in using your account credentials. Now, even though your search hit an error, I'm going to give you, all right, there are no worries. I'm just going to give you an accurate, sourced, and engaging guide on how to group in Looker Studio. Now, grouping in Looker Studio means combining fields, dimensions, or records into categories that make your data easier to analyze and visualize. There are a few main ways to do this. Number one, using the group and aggregate option in charts. Open the Looker Studio report and select a chart, not like a table or bar chart. I'm going to head over to the edit mode and here. So I'm selecting a chart. My charts are not being enabled in Looker Studio at the moment. I don't know why it's giving me some kind of error code, but I just hope that, okay, it has been enabled now. Thank you. So now it has been enabled. Now in the setup panel, all right, on the dimension, this is the setup panel here. On that dimension, select the field that you want to group. It could be country or device type, anyone. Just go ahead and select the field that you want to group. So let's say campaign. Now, Looker Studio automatically groups data by the chosen dimension. So all values of that dimension appear grouped in your chart. Now you can add metrics like users or sessions to see aggregated values per group. This is the default way charts in Looker Studio group data. That's dimension equals groups, metrics, equal aggregates. Now, this is the second method. You can group values using case statements in custom fields. Sometimes you want to group values into custom categories. For example, grouping multiple countries into region. Now, click on your chart, and once you click on your chart, head over to the setup panel at the right, and click on add dimension that is under breakdown dimension. And once you click on that, go ahead and click on create a field. Okay, so to have that option here to create a field, probably that's for add a calculated field. So just go ahead and click on that. Now it says field editing in reports is disabled for this data source. Okay, that's fine. So if it is enabled, then just go ahead and click on add calculated field. And in the formula editor that's going to appear, just type a case statement. For example, when country in United States can, in United States, Canada, then North America, something like that. Now name your field, example region, and click save. Now use this new field as your grouping dimension in chart. Now when you want to say when country, case, all right, cap locks, when country in, open a bracket, your quotation mark, your first quotation mark, and put United States, close your quotation mark, then put a comma, give a space, open your quotation mark and put Canada, close your quotation mark, then close your bracket, give a space and write then in capital letter, give a space, open your quotation mark, add North and America, North America, and close your quotation mark. That's something like that. Then use this new field as your grouping dimension in chart. Now this lets you define custom grouping logic beyond the raw data. Okay, so go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.